Hello student, today I am going to discuss one mark questions and answers from the voter chapter. The voter written by Chinua Achebe. Chinua Achebe born to 1930 to 2005. He is a professor, novelist, critic and essayist. He is from Nigerian writer. Okay. The first one must questions. How long had Roop been a bicycle repairs apprentice? For 2 years. Question number second. Roop was a popular young man because he had not abandoned his village. Question number 3. Where had Roop spent 2 years as a bicycle repairs apprentice? In Port Harcourt. Question number 4. To which village did Roop belong? He belongs to Umofia. Whom did Roop campaign? Whom did Roop campaign? Marcus Ebe. He is a PAP party leader. He contest from the PAP party in Umofia. Who? Marcus Ebe. Which is the symbol of People Alliance Party? The motor car. The People Alliance Party means Marcus Ebe's party's symbol, the motor car. Who was a popular man in Umofia village? Rufus Okeke. His short name is Roop. How was Roop different from others young men of the village? He had not abandoned the village. Question number 9. Why did Roop return to his village? To guide the villagers in those difficulties. Because they are all from illiterate. Almost all people are illiterate. And no one is doing any help to the people. So he wanted to come back. So he came back to his village to guide the village peoples about the social, political and economically to stand. Marcus Ebe had earlier been, he was a mission school teacher. Who? Marcus Ebe had earlier been mission school teacher. Who was Pap's most illustrious son? Marcus Ebe. The Umofia village elder peoples are calling him, he was a most illustrious son of that village. Who was Marcus Ebe's most trusted campaigner? Roop or Rufus Okeke. Same. Why was Marcus considered rich and powerful? Marcus Ebe was Minister of Culture in outgoing government. What was the name of Marcus Ebe's house? Umofia's mansions. Mention the promise made by Pap if they voted to power. to supply the pipe-borne water. Marcus Ebe from PAP party, they have promised to the villagers, if you have given your vote to me, then he will be sure to make a pipeline to their village. Question number 16. What instance had resulted in the dismissal of Marcus Ebe from the mission school? A female teacher's complaint. Why dismissed from that mission school teacher means because a female teacher's complaint against him. Who conducted whispering campaign? Stalwarts, Roop and other of Marcus Ebe. How did Marcus arm his campaigning boys? With eloquent little jute bags. What was Marcus Ebe in the outgoing government? The Minister of Culture. Where was Marcus Ebe sitting on the day of election? In the owner's corner of his enormous green car. Name the opposite party candidate to Marcus. Madhuka. He is the leader of POP party and his symbol is man's head. Who had visited Roop the previous day of the election to seek his vote? The leader of the POP campaign team. The leader of the POP campaign team. POP means Progressive Organizations Party. How much did the leader of the campaign team offer Roop for his vote? £5. The symbol of POP party, the man's head. The symbol of POP party, the man's head. Name the man of high traditional title mentioned in these lessons. Ugbofi Ijnewa. Ugbofi Ijnewa. The traditional fellows. In that house, they conduct a meeting in the night who Roop with elders who are against the Marcus Ebe. How much Roop offered shilling initially to the elders for their votes? How much Roop offered shilling initially to the elders for their vote? Shilling means the coins, changes of the coin. Marcus Ebe already he withdrawn 5 months salary, advanced 5 months salary, and in that few pounds changed in shillings, and that shillings kept in the jute little bags and given to the campaigner to give the people for their vote to give to Marcus Ebe. How much Roop offered shilling initially? Shilling means changes, coin. Initially to the elders for their votes. 2 shilling. Initially, just listen. Don't make confusion, sir. Initially they have offered 2 shilling. How many shilling was finally accepted for the votes by the elders? 4 shilling. What was Roop asked to swear on by the POP team? What was the Roop asked to swear on by the pop team. To swear that Roop would vote for Madhuka. After pop party campaigner offered a £5 to Roop and they have been taken an oath by Roop. What the whispering campaigns? Secret campaign at night in Ijneva house and also in Roop's house. The village elder Ijneva titled the lamb little because he wanted to confirm the amount paid in Ijneva house. In the night, the Roop conducted a meeting with the elder peoples. What did mean firewood? Firewood means the advantage of being the voters taking more money from power people means taking more money to use their advantage. Firewood means to use their advantage or taking much more benefit from the power people. Roop was mesmerized by. Mesmerized means hypnotisms. Hypnotism means come under his talking. That. The pictures of cocoa farmer. The pictures of cocoa farmer because they are given £5 in front of him. They kept a £5 in front of him by the cocoa farmer. Then he became a mesmerized. Roop became a mesmerized. Means he became a hypnotized. Where does the E came from according to the pop campaigner? Where does the E come from according to the pop campaigner? Mamta. In Mamta village, in the coastal area. In down coastal area, people of the religious people called a E. Who among the campaigning boys of Marcus was asked to vote first? Who among the campaigning boys of Marcus was asked to vote for first? Rufus Okeke. Question number 31st. Roop's act of inserting the torn ballot papers in two boxes signifies absolving himself of his guilt, means invalid of his vote. So these are the questions I had given to you from the voter lessons. If you already have read a summary and also I explained the voter lessons because in these lessons the main theme is corruptions in democracy. It means that money makes power than ethics and moral. Wherever the money looks, automatically peoples are banned. In democracy also, in the democracy elections, how people are mesmerized by looking the money, means the corruptions. So what you understand from this lesson means in democracy, especially in democracy, our India is also called a democracy. So whenever the election comes, we have to vote a legal persons who does a work for us. To them we have to give without taking any money or corruptions. If you have taken the money and given a vote, then the work will never happen in your surrounding area. So due to that thing, keep in your mind and do work who will do a work for them. To them you have to give a vote. That you have to That is the message from these lessons. Means corruptions always spoil the life. Not only spoil the life but also spoil the atmosphere. So whatever I had given the 1 mark questions and answers, you have to listen and note down in your book and read once more. Then in that only 1 mark questions will be asked in the final exams. Okay, thank you, Vanda and all.